2022, a new year, hopefully a better year. Are you ready to make some positive changes? Stay tuned. Hello again, everyone. I'm Eli's dad with Project Eli, where we educate, we lead, and we inspire. Last time we were together, a previous video, we were reviewing an article by a gentleman named Jerry Rumer. Big shout out to him. 6 daily habits to train your brain to become a learning machine. We went over 3 of them the last time. Let's go over 3 more so that we can improve. Once again, this is the time of year when people are thinking to themselves, what changes can I make so I can get to the next level? Here are some more. Gave you 3, let's go 3 more. Stop judging people. Open your mind instead. Now once again, I'm quoting from the author here. I'm giving you a different perspective, a different point of view. It's my personal belief that we can learn from everyone, whether the janitor or the highly successful CEO, the criminal or the monk, we can learn from every human being. Most people, however, let their ego, beliefs, and judgment get in the way of having an open mind and learning from others. They label a spiritual person as a weirdo. They label a successful entrepreneur as a workaholic. They label a wealthy investor as probably a jerk. Fast judgment is a sign of a closed mind. A closed mind is a sign of fixed beliefs, and fixed beliefs are a sign of someone who doesn't learn. Quote from Albert Einstein, "I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious." Unquote. What if you swapped your judgment for curiosity? What if you started asking other people's thoughts, habits, and daily life? What if you opened your mind instead of quickly jumping to conclusions? Now this doesn't mean you have to agree with everybody, but it means you have to at least keep an open mind. And you can't have an open mind if you've already made up your mind about somebody. All in all, drop your ego, judgment, and beliefs so you can open your mind and learn from other people. Train your brain to be curious. Next one, read books. Read some more. Reading is to the mind what exercise is to the body. By reading books, you can gain the wisdom someone spent a lifetime acquiring through trial and error in just a few days or weeks when you read their book. Reading books is the biggest life hack there is. No wonder the average millionaire reads more than 24 books a year for learning purposes. Here's a quote from Jim Rohn. He is the mentor of Tony Robbins. Quote, "Reading is essential for those who seek to rise above the ordinary." Unquote. Honestly, books have taught me more about entrepreneurship, marketing, and investing than my formal business education ever did. If you want to make reading a stronger daily habit, here's what I suggest. Schedule it in your calendar app or productivity planner. Make it a part of your morning or evening routine. Sign up for an audiobook service to read on the go. Transfer dead time into learning time. Or the way, and I'm going off script here, I always thought that it's turning a negative into a positive. There you are in your car, make your car drive time university, be listening to books, to tapes, to whatever, and get yourself focused. Read multiple books at the same time to keep it fresh. For me, variety is essential in reading. Put your books someplace they stand out in your living environment. Last one we want to talk about. Learn about topics you've rejected. If there's one thing that'll make you wise, it's learning about topics you've rejected. Topics you think are weird or potentially BS. For example, once again, this is the author speaking here. I've been rejecting Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies ever since the first hype in 2017. I said it was a big bubble and I judged anyone who owned crypto. Truth is, I missed out on 4 to 10 times returns because I rejected the topic. Here's my mistake. I rejected crypto without putting any effort into learning about it. I didn't invest a single hour into understanding it more deeply, yet I had an opinion on it. Now, wasn't that dumb? Rejecting a topic without learning about it is a mistake. It's a decision based on your current beliefs. And you can never upgrade your beliefs if you're not willing to bend your beliefs. I want to repeat that one. You can never upgrade your beliefs if you're not willing to bend your beliefs. True wisdom is looking outside of your own bubble so you can create new, more accurate beliefs. If all you do is stay in your bubble, you'll only make incremental improvements. But if you study subjects outside of your own bubble, you'll make giant leaps in your understanding of the world. In the case of me dismissing crypto out of ignorance, I decided to study crypto and the blockchain more deeply. I watched interviews with blockchain experts and read books such as Blockchain Revolution. Ever since, I've decided to allocate at least a portion of my investment portfolio to crypto, and as I understand, it's way more than just gambling. All in all, learn about topics you've rejected, challenge your beliefs. It's the ultimate form of wisdom. That's the end of the article. Once again, huge shout out. Very, very good article. The author's name, once again, is Jerry Rumor. Now, the point is, this is the time of year when we're reflecting on things that have taken us to where we are. Let's develop some habits, some positive habits, and let's get rid of the bad habits, the ones that are bringing us down. Does that make some sense? And that takes some determination on your part. It takes some reflecting. It takes writing them down. It takes writing them down, because if you want to live an ordinary life, you don't need to write that down. But if you want to achieve a substantial and significant goal, you need to write it down and get it implanted and revisit it every single day. Capiche? Until we get together next time, remember always, hey, don't ration the passion, fashion the passion. I'm Eli's dad.